Hello students, be ready for maths class. I am Jayesh Patel. Hope you all are well and doing your study properly. Today we are going to learn exercise 4.3 of chapter 4 simple equation of standard 7 mathematics. Student, please see the remark. There is a difference between two methods given over there. First one is adding or subtracting on the both the side. And the second is transposing. Please try to understand the difference between these two, because now onwards we are going to use transposing method to solve our sums. Now see, first 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. Suppose this equation is given. Now we have to solve this. So add 10 to both the sides. Therefore 3p minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 5 plus 10. Or simplify this, we will get 3p is equal to 15. The same equation we will get by the other method also. Look on the right hand side. 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. Transpose minus 10 from left hand side to our right hand side. On transposing, minus 10 becomes plus 10. Therefore 3p is equal to 5 plus 10 is equal to 3p is equal to 15. Correct? Now second, 5x plus 12 is equal to 27. Now we have to solve this. Now subtract 12 from both the sides. Therefore 5x plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 27 minus 12. So the final answer is 5x is equal to 15. Now see the transposing method. 5x plus 12 is equal to 27. Transposing plus 12 from left hand side to right hand side. On transposing, plus 12 becomes minus 12. Therefore 5x is equal to 27 minus 12, or 5x is equal to 15. It's clear, everyone? Now we are using transposing method to solve the sums. That's why it is very important. Students, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. Now first sum of exercise 4.3. Solve the following equation. A. 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. Then 2y is equal to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. Now solve the right hand side first. That is 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 32 upon 2. After dividing by 2, we will get 16. Therefore 2y is equal to 16. Therefore y is equal to 8. Divide both the side by 2. That is y is equal to 8 is the answer. First B. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Therefore 5t is equal to 10 minus 28 is equal to minus 18. Therefore 5t is equal to minus 18. Therefore t is equal to minus 18 upon 5. It's clear, everyone? Now please see this. To avoid confusion between x and multiplication symbol, we are using star symbol for multiplication now onwards. Please remember this. Star means multiplication. First E. 5 upon 2x is equal to minus 5. Now we have to transfer 5 upon 2 from the left side towards the right hand side. But before transferring, we have to take the reciprocal of it. Now how to take the reciprocal of 5 upon 2? तो उसको उल्टा कर देना है. 2 upon 5 लिखना है. जब भी हम लोग लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड लेके जाएंगे तो उसको हम लोग को उल्टा लिखना है. That is, we have to take the reciprocal. That means x is equal to minus 5 into 2 upon 5. Then plus 5 and minus 5 will cancel each other and minus 1 is remaining. Then minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2. So the answer is x is equal to minus 2. Now 1f. 5 upon 2x is equal to 25 upon 4. Therefore x is equal to 25 upon 4 into 2 upon 5. Now 25 from the numerator will cancel with 5 from the denominators. The 5 will remaining. It is on the numerator side. and 2 from the numerator will cancel the 4 from the denominators, and the 2 is remaining on the denominator side. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 2. It's clear? Now first I, 3L upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, L is equal to 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. Why it is 2 upon 3? Because with L, 3 upon 2 is there on the left hand side. So we have to transfer from left to right, and that's why we have to take the reciprocal of it. It is 2 by 3. And 2 into 2, 4, and 3 into 3 is 9. So L is equal to 4 upon 9. Now J, 2b upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So transfer minus 5 from the left to the right. Therefore, 2b upon 3 is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. It is on the right hand side. Therefore, 2b upon 3 is equal to 8. Now we have to transfer 2 upon 3 from left to right. Therefore, b is equal to 8 into 3 upon 2. Now 2 from the denominators will cancel the 8 from the numerator and give you 4. And 4 3s are 12. Therefore, b is equal to 12. It's clear, everyone? Now try to solve the C, D, G, H by yourself as a homework. Sum number 2. Solve the following equation. A, 2 into bracket x plus 4 bracket close is equal to 12. Now first transfer 2 from left towards the right. Therefore, x plus 4 is equal to 12 upon 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now transfer 4 from the left towards the right. Therefore, x is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. The final answer is x is equal to 2. It's clear, everyone? Good. 2c, 3 into bracket n minus 5 bracket close is equal to minus 12. Therefore, n minus 5 is equal to 21 upon 3. It is equal to minus 7. Therefore, n minus 5 is equal to minus 7. Now transfer minus 5 from left to right. Therefore, n is equal to minus 7 plus 5 is equal to minus 2. So the final answer is n is equal to minus 2. Now D, minus 4 into bracket 2 plus x bracket close is equal to 8. Therefore, 2 plus x is equal to 8 upon minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, 2 plus x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4. It's clear? Now try to solve the B and E by yourself. Sum number 3. Solve the following question. A, 4 is equal to 5 into P minus 2. Now student, please pay attention. Using associativity property. Now what is the associative property? That is A into B is equal to B into C. The answer of A into B and B into C both are equal. So transfer the given equation as 5 into P minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, P minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 5. Therefore, P is equal to 4 upon 5 plus 2. Now take the add this to 4 upon 5 plus 2 will give you 14 upon 5. Therefore, P is equal to 14 upon 5. It's clear? C, 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into bracket 3 plus 2 bracket close. Now again use the associativity property. Therefore, 4 plus 3 into bracket t plus 2 is equal to 16. Therefore, 3 into bracket t plus 2 is equal to 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, 3 into bracket t plus 2 is equal to 12. Now transfer 3 from left to right. Therefore, t plus 2 is equal to 12 upon 3. Now again transfer 2 from left to right. Therefore, t is equal to 12 upon 3 minus 2. Now simplify this. Therefore, t is equal to 2. It's clear, everyone? E, 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into bracket m minus 6. Now again using the property 16 plus 4 into bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now transfer 16 from left to right. So the 4 into bracket m minus 6 is equal to minus 16. Now transfer 4 from left to right. Therefore m minus 6 is equal to minus 16 upon 4 is equal to minus 4. Now transfer minus 6 from left to right becomes plus 6. Therefore m is equal to minus 4 plus 6. Therefore m is equal to 2. It's clear? Good. Now try to solve the b and d by yourself. Sum number 4. A. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. Student, please pay attention. This is the only one possibilities. You can make such a many such equations. So try it by yourself. Okay. Now see this. If x is equal to 2, then first multiply both sides by 5, that is 5x is equal to 10. Now adding both sides 6, that is 5x plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 6. That is, I simplifying this, 5x plus 6 is equal to 16. Now dividing both sides by 7, therefore 5x plus 6 upon 7 is equal to 16 upon 7. So this is a 3 required equation. It's clear? Now try to solve the second one by yourself. Students, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.